QSERVICES, Qwashers. So what I'm going to do here is show you how to take the crank casing off. What I've simply got here is a keyway that's worn on the crankshaft itself. So what we're going to do is take the casing off and go into the system itself. Obviously the gasket. What we're trying to do is take it off so the actual cogs inside that's sitting on the back end of this casing are not going to come off as we take the casing off. So we're going to do all these screws, all the bolts, all the way around. And then we'll come back once that's taken off. All of them are out. We have got the oil out of this engine at this stage, so we've drained it of oil. So we're taking our last bolt out now. So all the bolts all the way around the casing are all out. What we're going to do next is slowly, you'll see in a minute or two, prise it off. So what we're going to do is simply tap slightly away the casing itself, open that gap up, we don't want it coming off fully, so you need to make sure that the cogs are staying in place. And you do the same job if you ever change in the gasket.
I've got this side.
You've got it that side. Right, just be careful.
So just prising it gently forward as we go. You've got your oil seal on the shaft. It needs to move forward on, so we're going, bit of pressure on both sides, and what we're doing is looking. A good chance that you'll damage the actual gasket itself. And we're trying to keep all the parts as we take it off. What we've done is we've kept the main component in place. So everything itself has stayed on the engine. Thank you much. QSERVICES, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.